When the power goes out, the last thing you want to worry about is hygiene, especially when the toilet stops working. When disaster strikes, waste management becomes critical. Without plumbing or power and working toilet, your health is at risk. How do you stay safe in the first 72 hours? Stay tuned for a simple, life-saving solution. In this episode, the toilet, the first 72 hours. How to build a safe toilet system in 3 simple steps. The first 72 hours are critical. And when it comes to sanitation, you're going to need a solution fast. Here's how you can set up a temporary toilet system that will keep you safe, clean, and ready to take on the challenges ahead. Step 1. Set up your temporary toilet. Grab a strong 5-gallon or 20-liter bucket. Line it with a heavy-duty trash bag to prevent leaks. Next, create a base layer to absorb liquid waste and control odors. Sawdust works best, but if that's not available, you can use dirt, sand, cat litter pellets, soil, or even paper. Make sure to add this layer after every use to help neutralize the smell. When the bag is full, carefully remove it from the bucket and seal it tightly to prevent leaks or contamination. Extra tip: to minimize odors and make waste processing easier, separate your liquid and solid waste. Use a second bucket with a lid to collect urine. This simple step reduces smell and simplifies disposal. Step 2. Prioritize hygiene. Hygiene is crucial in these early stages. Always wear gloves before using and cleaning the toilet to prevent direct contact with waste. Afterward, remove and discard the gloves carefully and wash your hands with soap and water. If there's no water, make use of hand sanitizer or disinfecting wipes to clean your hands thoroughly. Step 3. Dispose of waste safely. Once you're finished, tightly seal the waste bag by twisting and knotting it securely to prevent leakage, or even use an extra bag. Store it in a safe, ventilated area, away from your living space, like an outdoor shed or garage, to minimize exposure. If immediate disposal isn't possible, ensure the bag is double sealed or placed in a secure container. This helps minimize contamination and prevents attracting pests. Let's quickly recap. Step 1. Set up a temporary toilet using a bucket with a heavy-duty bag and absorbent layer. Step 2. Always use gloves and wash hands after every use. Step 3. Seal waste bags tightly and store them away from living areas until safe disposal is possible. In an emergency, staying clean and healthy is essential. By setting up a proper waste management system, you're ensuring your survival and well-being in the critical first 72 hours. Be prepared, stay safe, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more survival insights. And remember, in an emergency, you don't have to let waste be a waste of time. The information in this video is for general preparedness and educational purposes only. For advice tailored to your unique circumstances, consult local professionals or authorities.